you just spent 6 months building your dream truck, or you hit a major pothole and now your truck's out of line. How do we at least get it to where we can drive it to the alignment shop, or get it close enough just to drive? I'm going to show you how to do that today. You only need 6 things for this project: 2 jack stands, tape measure, a wrench, a ratchet, and some string. First jack stand goes a little bit behind the back tire. The other one goes to the front, so you have this line all the way across. Moving the front one back and forth. Get it pretty tight and just touching. And to get our height, all we gotta do is raise up the jack stand till we're about center, or just play with the line till we're about center of the tire. Alright, this right here is perfect. And it's just barely touching the front of this tire on the back. We want to make sure the steering wheel is straight and locked. Now that we got the back tire set and the steering wheel locked, next thing we want to do is we want to visually check our line with the body line. Here, make sure she's straight. Measure it till they're both the same, front and back. And if it needs alignment, which it probably will, I'll show you how to adjust that to make them the same. This is what changes toe of the truck, and you loosen them 2 nut and bolts combos, and it turns. If you turn it one way, it's going to bring the wheel, front of the wheel in. You turn it the opposite way, it pushes it out. And turn it until you get it visually right with the string. You just take a look down and get you close, and then to dial it in, you just go to your spot and measure it until she's perfect. Once you do this on both sides, you can get you a friend and your tape measure, find the center of your tire and measure across the front and the back, and that'll give you your total toe. And that's pretty much it for getting your truck back on the road. Get it back going. At least get it to drivable, to get it to alignment shop if you don't have the luxury of a trailer. Well, that's pretty much it on a simple truck alignment.